Oh my god.
Para o peitinho primeiro.
Dip it low, then you bring it up slow. Wind it up one time, run it back once more.
I don't know, babe. What a bad day. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh no, oh no.
To make a move to a town that's right for me.
这就他们
一个。
Bounce when she walk, then bounce when she walk, bounce when she walk, clap when she walk.
You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall! Ah! What are you doing?
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
Oh my god!
Yay, bro.
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Gracie! Little black, hang on. Oh gosh. What are you doing? Oh my god. No. They are my chicken nuggets. I'm sorry.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Are you stuck?
Huh? Huh? Huh?
There's no way. No. No way.
You shouldn't be up there, should you?
Fresh and ready to
See if you like some peanut butter.
Don't do it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Let go of him.
He's not overeating. I know that. Look at.
2 of these, 1 of these, 1 of these, 1 of these, 1 of these. That's all.
Oh!
Serious.
The new employee has an idea. The walking cats. She has a whole cat tree but chooses the Wi-Fi router. I just realized my cat stole a burger bun to use as a pillow. When you get your cat a cat tree, but she prefers to sit on the instructions.
Boy who lived has come to die.
Stop it. Stop, you're scaring me. That's right for me.
Waiting for the next week's snack. Now that was a catwalk.
I love cats. They're the best thing in my life.
I ain't felt like this in a long time.
In nomine Patris et Filii et
Excuse me?
Steven! I thought you were dead! Fucking hell!
Oh my god, she's so fat.
Don't say that's my cat. She's not fat.
Why won't you adopt me?
Because you're black!
Dude, you're shitting our avocados!
They're eating the dogs, the people that came in. They're eating the cats. They're eating...
Get it, cat! Get it! No. Yeah!
What a funny cat.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry. Chronicles of Misty. I have to follow her around. She keeps getting stuck in weird places.
No, 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 no.
Olha lá, se liga aí, lá está, é o camão. De olho na conexão, BQ negativo. Parque Independente, a representa bicho. Isso eu dou valor, fez a goela que gastou. Mano, pelo amor, tá pelo ordem, não aposentou. Melhor que
It's okay, Daddy.
Come on, it's okay.
Taking shower?
Oh my god, this cat